Oh my God. Hey guys, Happy New Year. Stephen up for my Fort Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today what we got here is having a bit of mining pool using Trust uh, wallet. I've got one open here for you, but firstly, if you don't understand these systems, I suggest you just go into Google up Trust Wallet and open up an account. If you already have an account with Trust Wallet, leave that account alone, but this is what you do. Open up a new wallet, okay? Now, firstly, when you open your account, and if you already got an existing account, you want to open up another wallet, press on setting. Once you get into setting, go to wallet, and as you can see, I've got two wallets there. I've got the first wallet up the top there, and of course the second wallet that I'm working off at this point of time. Now, I suggest I wouldn't use your old wallet, but I would open up a new wallet to go through this new process that I'm going to show you. Now, it's a mining pool once you get into this area. Now, before you get to this area, you certainly need some USDT, and that's how much I've got in there. And I've got $15.70. Now, firstly, you need an exchange to be able to transfer your crypto into this Trust Wallet. I use Binance. Now, below this YouTube video or wherever you're going to see this video, there should be a link to Binance. Join Binance, and that's where you can send some money from your bank account to buy some USDD. Then you transfer it from your Binance account into these app here like Trust Wallet. Now the Trust Wallet is really so you can transfer all your coins after you purchase that at your exchange like Binance to bring into this wallet. This is your personal wallet. You look after it. You learn how to manage it. It's not tied up with Binance or anything. It is your own personal wallet, just like your normal wallet that you would have to keep all your money in. But of course, these modern wallets these days can actually help you generate some extra income. And this is one way you can generate a little bit of that income. Now, firstly, I'm going to show you my first account before I can show you the second account. Oops, sorry, logged myself out. Now go back to setting. Now my first wallet has got what it's called another mining pool using, let me show you first, I don't want you to be confused, but this is the first wallet and I don't want the first wallet to interfere with the second wallet. And this first wallet is mining what it's called Ethereum. Now this mining machine, that's what it does for me. It's to mine Ethereum for me on my behalf in regards to how many USDT I got in my wallet. And this is the actual fact. I've got 225 USDT activating $149 there ready for withdrawal. Now that's the first wallet, and you don't want to have any conflict with the first wallet with your second wallet. That's why I said if you're going to use the first wallet or your existing wallet already got services in there, leave that alone and just open up a new wallet. Okay, so you can see now that's one mining machines I have got with Ethereum, and this new one that I have set up especially to accept the new there's a word for it, but I've forgotten what the new site to do the mining for us is this particular one here. Sorry, don't go there. Also, they got to change this button from Ethereum to BNB. That's how it recognizes it. Okay, so once we've done that, refresh to bring up the page. In this particular page now, Hilltop, trustwork.com, or it's called Hilltop, is going to do some mining for me, and I've just opened it up, so I thought I'd show it to you as part of my team. Now if you want to join this process, now I'm going to have a invitation down the bottom of this this video. Just click on the invitation and come and join this mining pool also. Now, account that's been activated by the $13 USDD that I've got in my wallet, and there's the 2,000 giga hours already been activated. This is a brand new account, and I've just joined it just at this time to allow you to see it, what it's like in the very beginning. And today's date is the 5th of January 2023. And like I said, I just want to introduce the new account to you and see how this mining pool sort of works. And tomorrow I'm going to make another video, or the next day when I come back in here, and see how much have I made in this mining pool. But that's how easy it is. You set up, you send your money away, and allow your money to make money for you. And these are the simple investment tools, especially with crypto currency these days are starting to rebound. But I thought I'd show you this new app, new mining pool that I have joined, and we'll see in the next few days how well it's producing some coin for us. But anyway, this is Stephen R. Ford from My Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. And if you don't understand some of these processes, you're only going to find me in Facebook and say, Steve, can you teach me how to operate these machines, or how can I put money into it? How can I speed it up, and how I can make money to take it out, or how I can withdraw some of these money. But in the future, I'll show you the withdrawal as it shows up in this area here, how much I can withdraw out of this this app, this mining pool. And literally this is all it's done. There's my the USDT that's activating the mining pool. And of course you got to have BNB smart chain to activate, also part of the process, as you can see. If we go back to the website once again, sorry, here we go. It's a DeFi wallet. Don't ask me exactly what it means. All I know is it works. It produces profit for me. Anyway, coming back to where we were. To join this particular, once you come in, you got to push that button and change this button, not to a hold on, something wrong here. Oh, sorry, it's already. Now, if you did come in and that was on, say, Ethereum, you just got to change it into BNB and you'll be fine. And that's how easy it is to set it up. Make sure that button there, it's BNB. And when you do make a transfer into this account, you got to transfer it through your BNB, Binance coin, into this app. Then when it gets into the Trust wallet, then you change it into BNB Smart Chain, and that's the two coins that you need. Firstly, invest more than $10. You can invest as much as you can USDT into here, $1,000 or more, and you'll really speed up your mining process. But anyway, that's another one for you. And this is Stephen R. Ford from My Fortune, creating fortune for the future. We love you. God loves you. We'll see you on my next video. Happy New Year.